Beautiful day outside, really. Quite nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we've got a stormtrooper washing their windows. Yeah. Quality, everybody. Hey guys, welcome to one of the most high quality places to start a video, and that is the stairs. Today we are going to be installing a new part for the Beetle. They're light bulbs. It uses a cigarette lighter, but the Beetle doesn't have a cigarette lighter, so we're going to figure that out. Here's what they look like when they glow. And they change colors. I think. Colors. Yeah. So, let's jump into it. First things first, we gotta move those seats back. Those are in the way. Clink, clonk. Now it's time to get into that whole mess there. I don't have like a perfect understanding of what I'm going to do, but I know that I need to hook the wires to something in there that turns on when the key turns on, or when I start the car. I think I'm just gonna connect it to a fuse that turns on the lights on the speedometer. Let's do that. Screwdriver. Oh, maybe a little bit smaller. That'll work. Yep. Ow. 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 What is holding that in? Is that a screw? Good. Good. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's what I wanted. Jeez, this car's small. We've got that. Purdy. So I'm planning on putting it right up here on the metal, because that is under the dashboard and kind of out of the way. Before we go any further, we need to disconnect the battery. There we go. Okay, so I figured out what I want to do. I know where to put it, and so I just need to cut this. Good. Good. There we go. Getting all those plasticities, plastics. Get the plastics off of there. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, I've gotten a few more things. I've gotten a wire. I've gotten a connector. We are about ready to go, I think. And that should be long enough. So in order to make this longer, I am going to hook up these like 8-inch things that I've cut to it by getting this all opened up, and this one all opened up as well, putting the wires, the copper in there together, and it to be spinning. Okay, there's one. I'm gonna slide this on, unless it doesn't fit. Yeah. Okay. Psych. We're just gonna have to abort that one. There we go. Pull that apart. All right. Other side. Okay. So now they are longer. Got a positive and a negative end. You can still tell because their black and reds are sticking out a little bit enough right there. Very good. Clamped. Yep. Oh no, it slid out. All right, ready to full send. Okay. I can tell you all right now, that's not going anywhere. I think everything's ready to be hooked in. So we're gonna go and try and plug those in right now. There's Cameron's bug. That's what it looks like. We're sanding it down. Okay, I'm gonna go plug it in. Okay, I think I just did something impressive. I plugged it in. I plugged in the positive end into the fuse box. It's so far successful. I just need to ground to the other side and then it should be good. And I'll plug in the battery. Okay, I found a ground that isn't being used. It is, right there. Sorry, I was carrying the light with my mouth so you guys could see. And it's not doing much. There we go, I'm carrying it with my chin now. That should help. You see that? Yeah, nobody sees it. It's right there. It's right there. Forget it. It's back there. Behind the hazard switch that should be right here, but I just, yeah. Okay, I plugged it in. Did it take 3 hours? Maybe. Did I like it? Yeah. I plugged it in. Those two red things you see right there, those are mine. That's a ground. That should have power to it. Hopefully, I'm praying that it has power to it. And we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna reconnect the battery and should be good. If it doesn't work, the video is gonna end right now if it doesn't work. So. Zap, plugged it back in. Okay. All right, lights off. Moment of truth. The keys, okay. Lights up, good. Moment of truth. Press the power button. We're getting nothing. We're getting absolutely nothing. That's okay. Maybe I need to turn the headlights on. There's a chance. Oh, no way. No freaking way. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I actually did that. Yes! So now they'll only work at night. I have to turn the headlights on. Oh, that's gonna look sick. Clean off the area right there. Smells quite pleasant, really. Would you guys want to put these lights in your car? What's something you guys have been doing over quarantine? Leave a comment. Turns out that's not dirt. I was thinking it was. It's not. That made it awkward. Oh, look who decided to join us. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna stick the control panel right here. I'm going to 3D print something to go here because I didn't put a radio in this car. I just have a massive Bluetooth speaker in the back. And so I'm gonna 3D print something and put it there, but for the time being, I'm just gonna leave it there. First, the satisfying part. It's like galloping like a horse like that at the end. Ooh, it made a little ribbon. I think that's perfect. All right. Woo! Disregard the overexposure of my hand. Satisfying part 2. Oh no. Yes. Ribbon. No, that's on there. Time for the final results. Oh boy. That's dope. It lights up like the whole car because small car. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. What have you guys been doing during quarantine? I don't know, this is what I've been doing. Shaved head, I mean, I hope it looks decent. Comment down below what you've been up to and can't wait to test that out. So have a good one, have a good day, have a good night, have a good year, and I'll see you next time.